This video demonstrates creating a new project in the System Capture tool. Before creating a new project, Cadence recommends that the customers set up a site area containing all the default settings for libraries and tool operations. These settings are applied to all individual users. Set the CDS site environment variable to access the library and tool setup. Creating a new project requires you to provide only the bare minimum data. Click New from the Start page, or press the Ctrl and shortcut key, or choose File, New, and then click on the Project tab. Next, enter the project name, for example, New Project. The project name should be in lowercase with no special characters. Enter a location. In the Select Library Mode drop-down lists, the System Capture tool supports the Allegro DE-HDL and/or CAD capture library file formats. For now, we'll go ahead and select the Allegro DE-HDL library. To create a new project, click on Create. This may take 2 to 3 minutes. The new project is automatically loaded into System Capture, and the default schematic blank page is displayed. In order to view the library folder in the Project Explorer pane, go to Project Explorer Settings. Doing so will display a range of items you can choose to be displayed in the Project Explorer pane. Select Library, and it will then appear as part of the libraries tree on your Project Explorer. The class lib and standard libraries are defined in the CDS site location in the environment variable. You can also customize your libraries by selecting Edit, Preferences, and then once the pop-up window appears, you can click on Available Libraries. To add new ones to the list, just click on the plus icon. To add the desired library to your Project Explorer tree, simply browse it and click OK on the preference window. Now you're ready to go ahead and click on the Open Project folder from the File main menu to open the project file structure. This project is designed to be a one-stop location for all your data. It contains the project file, a new project.cpm, with comprehensive details like libraries, CDS site location, project name, and more. The idea is to ensure easy access and management of information efficiently. In addition, the tool generates a library mapping file termed cds.lib and a folder called logic which holds a single file database. That is all we have now for this video. Thanks for watching.